You're in the right place if you want to know what is digital marketing or learn how to approach this topic practically and directly. In just 5 minutes, you'll understand the essentials of digital marketing to start right, even with limited resources, and focus on what truly matters. What is digital marketing after all? In simple terms, digital marketing is the set of marketing strategies and actions that take place in the online environment. Think of everything you do to promote your business, attract customers, and sell, but using the internet. The big advantage is that in the digital realm, you can measure almost everything, quickly adjust what's not working, and reach people anywhere. If you have a small business, are a freelancer, or are just starting to entrepreneur, digital marketing isn't a luxury, it's a necessity, because your business can be seen by thousands or even millions of people. Furthermore, digital is usually much more accessible, allowing you to start with a small budget and scale as you grow. Similarly, you can direct your messages to those genuinely interested in your product or service. At the same time, social media and other platforms allow you to communicate directly with your customers, understand their needs, and build real, lasting relationships. Moreover, you know exactly how many people saw your ad, clicked on your website, or bought your product. This allows you to optimize your actions. Practical steps to start in digital marketing. To begin, focus on the basics and what will truly bring results for your type of business. Here are some pillars. 1. Online presence. Where are you on the internet? Having an online presence means being where your customer is. This can be social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, you name it. Choose the ones your audience uses most. Create relevant content, interact, and show behind the scenes. It's the most accessible how to do digital marketing for many. Google My Business. If you have a local business, it's essential to be on Google Maps. It's free and greatly helps people find your address, phone number, and hours. Website or blog. Having your own space on the internet conveys professionalism and allows you to create more in-depth content, attracting customers who are looking for solutions. This can be a space where you share knowledge and position yourself as an authority. 2. Valuable content. What do you offer beyond the product? In digital marketing, content is king. This means you shouldn't just sell, but also educate, inform, and entertain your audience. Create posts, videos, and articles that help people. This builds connection and trust. This is effectively utilizing your content marketing, one of the fundamental pillars of digital marketing. In a nutshell, it's a strategy aimed at engaging and connecting with your target audience through relevant and valuable content. 3. Email marketing, direct connection with your customer. Even with so many social networks, email remains a powerful tool. Use it to send news, promotions, exclusive content, or to remind customers of an abandoned cart. It's a form of digital marketing for small businesses that builds lasting relationships. 4. Traffic. How to get people to you. It's not enough to just create content. People need to see what you're doing, and for that, you need to generate traffic. That is, bring people to your profile, website, or product. There are several types of traffic. Organic, when someone finds you through Google, social media, or by referral. Paid, when you boost posts or run ads like on Google Ads or Instagram. Direct, when the person types your company or website name directly into the browser. Social, when your content goes viral or is shared on social media. 5. SEO and keywords. How to be found. Have you ever searched for something on Google and clicked on the first few results? Well, those websites are there because they were optimized with good SEO practices. This means creating content like posts, videos, or pages that Google or other search engines understand and recommend to the right people. And the basis of SEO is keywords. Keywords are the terms people type into Google. Example, how to promote my business on Instagram, or digital marketing for beginners. If you use these words in your titles, texts, and descriptions naturally, your chances of appearing in searches increase significantly. This includes in some cases without having to pay for it, and with good keywords, you can attract many more visitors and appear more online, literally reaching your audience in the right place at the right time. Therefore, as a practical tip, before creating content, think, what would my customers search for on Google or other search engines to find what I offer? The answer to this question will present terms and words for you to work into your content. By doing this, you're already applying SEO in your daily life in a way. With all we've discussed, digital marketing isn't a magic formula, but a continuous process. The secret lies in being consistent in your actions, analyzing what works and what doesn't, and always being willing to learn and adapt. So, start small, with what you can do, and expand gradually. The important thing is to take the first step and not be afraid to experiment. Now, it's time to get hands-on and delve even deeper into this topic. For that, we highly recommend watching this video that shows how to differentiate yourself in the market and achieve great prominence with your brand. It's something few beginner professionals know about and will make all the difference. To watch it, just click on the button above or on the link we left in the description. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about how to set up and manage your own business, visit our YouTube channel where we have several videos about this subject. If you liked it, share this video with your friends and family to help them too. Thanks, and see you next time.